Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best glue off is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who loves rocking false nails but dreads the removal process, as it promises a gentle yet effective way to dissolve stubborn nail glue without damaging your natural nails, making your at-home manicure maintenance a breeze and ensuring your nail beds stay healthy and strong between applications. Number 5. NYK1 NailBond Brush on Glue 8 ml. Introducing our super strong nail glue, designed for a salon professional finish. It provides maximum strength for all your nail applications. Experience a quick dry formula that's also water resistant. Enjoy reliable, long-lasting hold for your beautiful nails. Our built-in fine precision brush ensures a quick, effortless, and accurate application every time. Say goodbye to messy glue. This convenient 8 ml bottle provides an extra fill for your needs. It's the perfect size for your nail art essentials. It's perfect for press-on nails, fake nails, nail tips, and all your creative nail art projects. Achieve stunning results with ease. What we like? This glue offers maximum strength for a long-lasting hold. Its quick dry formula is water-resistant, ensuring your nails stay put. If you're looking for a reliable, mess-free application with a precision brush, this is the one for you. What people say. My nails generally last 2+ weeks with this glue. The brush-on applicator makes application super easy and much less messy compared to squeeze tube glues. It spreads evenly, which helps prevent bubbles and lifting. The hold is impressive. My press-on stayed secure through daily activities like washing dishes and typing. Number 4. SAVILAND 4-in-1 Nail Gel Set. Discover the revolutionary SAVILAND 4-in-1 Nail Gel Set, your all-in-one solution for stunning nails. This versatile gel set offers 4 incredible uses in one bottle. It's perfect for applying nail tips, adding decorations, strengthening your natural nails, or even as a slip solution for poly gel. Designed with beginners in mind, its easy-to-use brush and self-leveling formula make achieving salon-quality results simple, even for DIY nail art enthusiasts. Enjoy beautiful, durable nails for over 21 days with its strong adhesion. Your nail tips and decorations will stay put without shifting or falling off. Crafted from natural, healthy ingredients, this gel is colorless, odorless, and gentle on your nails and skin, ensuring a comfortable and pleasant experience. Simply cure under a nail lamp for 60 to 90 seconds. You can reposition your nail pieces or accessories before curing for the perfect placement. We're here to help if you have any questions. What we like? This is a versatile gel set that can be used as glue, base coat, slip solution, and strengthener. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners, and provides a salon-quality finish. If you want a multifunctional product that simplifies your nail routine and offers extended wear, consider this option. What people say. My nails have lasted 2 weeks with this glue before. With proper nail prep and application, this nail glue works great. I'm a nail technician and I haven't had issues with this glue. Plus, when soaking off, it's very easy to remove. I love this glue. My nails last sometimes going on a month with the proper prep. I really love this glue. I definitely recommend, especially for beginners like myself. Number 3. G1 and R1 Professional Nail Glue and Remover Kit. Introducing the G1 and R1 Professional Bundle. This kit is designed to help you save money on salon expenses and time on removal processes. Achieve a long-lasting, perfect condition for your nails that lasts over 30 days. It can repair broken nails, fake nails, and more in just seconds, without needing a UV light. The G1 Nail Glue Gel is designed to be drip-proof and clog-proof. It dries quickly, is easy to apply, and convenient to carry. With the R1 Remover's dropper design, it easily penetrates nail gaps. You can quickly remove your nails in just 3 to 5 minutes, saving you time and effort. Using the G1 allows you to securely attach fake nails and fingertips for any activity. The R1 makes removal easy and quick, so you can change your style whenever you want. What we like? This kit provides a long-lasting hold for over 30 days without needing a UV lamp. It also includes a quick remover for hassle-free takeoffs. If you desire durable press-on nails and a convenient removal process, this bundle is an excellent choice. What people say. As a bartender and a mom, my hands are always wet and busy. I am hard on my nails and this glue holds my nails down until they're so outgrown that I need to remove them and apply a new set. The glue dries super fast. I can apply a new set in no time and my nails don't lift at all even 3 weeks after. This nail glue is very strong. My nails stayed on for 3 weeks before one came off. Nails stay on for 3 weeks. The bottle has a metal pin built into the cap which keeps the nozzle from gluing shut after 4 or 5 uses. It requires one small drop to hold nail firm. Their companion remover works well. Less struggle to get off. Much less damage to my natural nail. Number 2. SAVILAND SSProTip X Nail Glue Gel Kit. Introducing our revolutionary nail glue gel, powered by advanced SSProTip X technology. It creates a powerful bond for all nail types without the need for UV curing. Experience a manicure that lasts. Our formula, enriched with castor oil and vitamin E, provides a strong hold for up to 30 days while nourishing your natural nails. Worried about removal? Our specially designed remover swiftly and gently eliminates nail tips without causing damage to your nails or skin. Achieve a flawless look with ease. The precise nozzles ensure bubble-free adhesion and the easy squeeze tubes prevent waste and contamination. Enjoy beautiful, secure nails through all your daily activities. Whether you're washing hands or typing, they stay put. Removal is just as simple. Get salon quality results in the comfort of your home. This kit is perfect for applying press-on nails, gel tips, and creating intricate nail art. What we like? This gel glue offers a strong, long-lasting bond for up to 30 days without UV curing. Its formula is enriched with nourishing ingredients to protect your nails. If you prioritize a durable, no-fuss application that also cares for your natural nails, this is a great pick. What people say. This glue remover works very well and is easy to use. It effectively removes nail glue without damaging the natural nails. The product has a pleasant scent and is gentle on the skin. Number 1. SAVILAND Solid Gel Glue Remover. Tired of struggling with stubborn nail glue? Our solid gel remover works in just 60 seconds to gently lift away press-on nails without any damage. It's the quick and easy solution for a damage-free removal. Our plant-based formula is specifically designed to soften hardened nail adhesives without any harsh scraping or peeling. It's perfect for keeping your natural nails healthy and strong after removing your press-ons. Enjoy a pleasant, spa-like experience during removal. This remover has a subtle botanical freshness that neutralizes odors, creating a calming ambience wherever you are. Achieve salon-level accuracy with our ergonomic dropper. It delivers the formula precisely where you need it, minimizing waste and ensuring a seamless application even on intricate nail shapes. Our remover does more than just dissolve glue. It nourishes your nails too. Enriched with vitamin E and castor oil, it leaves your natural nails hydrated, glossy, and resilient after every use. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals. This remover is non-acetone and non-drying, making it ideal for sensitive or brittle nails. It effectively removes solid gel glue without compromising the health of your natural nails. What we like? This remover is designed for solid nail glue gel, offering a quick and damage-free removal in just 60 seconds. It's non-drying and infused with vitamin E and castor oil to hydrate your nails. If you need a gentle yet effective remover that leaves your nails feeling nourished, this is the perfect solution. What people say. This product is a lifesaver for removing gel polish and acrylics. It works quickly and effectively, saving you time and effort. The formula is gentle on your nails and cuticles, preventing damage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.